Good morning, children. This is Thevenin's and Norton's theorem. You've already seen the board. You have done Thevenin's theorem in class. Now we'll be doing Norton's theorem is what I'll be showing you here. As you can see, the circuit diagram. For this, you require a board. You require here, as you can see, 0 to 20 volts volt meter and 0 to 20 milliamperes, the milliammeter. These two meters and the connecting wires. This is what you will be requiring. Now, to begin with the experiment, you have to connect this red one to the power supply here, red. The black of Norton's theorem to the power supply of black. Same thing, red with the voltmeter and current meters, red and black. Both have red with red, black with black. You have to connect these 2 points of Norton's theorem with the supply red and black and also voltmeter and current meter, right? Then, as you can see, these are resistors which are already internally connected in the board. Here there is a gap, so you need to connect a wire. Here there is a gap, you need to connect a wire. And this is your load. Okay? Now, according to Norton's theorem, when there are a lot of energy sources, all those energy sources can be converted into a single current source, which is seen here. Right? This is the equivalent, Norton's equivalent circuit. Single current source and all the resistors can be connected to a single resistance which is called Rn. The single current source is In and Rn will be connected in parallel with In. This is Norton's theorem. When there are many resistors, all the resistors will be simplified to a single resistor, removing the load resistance and calculating it from behind, as you have done in Thevenin's, from your right towards your left hand. Okay. And all the energy sources will be converted to a single current source. Now, first we will verify the reading giving connections in this current meter and voltmeter connecting the first circuit here. Then we will connect it to the Norton's equivalent circuit and verify whether we are getting the same reading in these 2 meters. Okay.